Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to hide TikTok videos from someone. If you want to hide your TikTok videos from a specific person, so what you can do is to make your account private. So go to your profile in the bottom right corner, click the three-line menu in the top right, then select settings and privacy. Now once you're here, scroll down and go to visibility and select private account. Then enable or turn on private account, just like so. So with the private account, only users you approve can follow you and watch your videos. So your existing followers won't be affected. You can also block that person. So to do that, go to their TikTok profile, tap the share button at the top right corner, and click block at the bottom, and click block again to confirm the action, and that account will be blocked. So best option if you want to hide everything from one specific person is to block them. If you only want to limit individual videos, you can use friends only or only you when setting the video's audience. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.